Kickstart your curiosity, word explorer. Today's key letter is K, packed with kooky, kind, and knockout words. Let's keep it cool and collect 5 K words that'll kick your vocabulary up a notch. The image explains the word kangaroo court as a pretend court that is not fair. It shows a judge and 2 sad children helping kids understand that kangaroo courts don't follow real rules. The image explains the word karaoke as singing songs into a microphone. It shows a boy singing happily, helping kids understand that karaoke is fun and musical. The image explains the word karate as a sport where you punch and kick. It shows a girl practicing karate, helping kids understand that karate is a fun way to stay strong. The image explains the word kaleidoscope as a tube you look through to see colorful patterns. It shows a boy using a kaleidoscope, helping kids understand how it makes beautiful shapes. The image explains the word Kaleyard as a garden where vegetables grow. It shows a girl standing near cabbages, helping kids understand that Kaleyard are places to grow food. Kudos, word champ! You've knocked it out of the park with today's K words. Keep coming back for more knockout vocabulary fun.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our journey.